HDMI signal to different areas of a given space. It is very useful if you want to provide an excellent viewing experience to a small or large crowd. There are many applications in which you will find this handy. Notably, church services, bars and restaurants, shops, the barber shop, and gaming events. All you need is an HDMI extender splitter. Using an extender splitter is more efficient and effective than using long HDMI cables. HDMI cables over 10 meters tend to lead to a degraded signal or latency and are very costly. 2 quality 20-meter HDMI cables, for example, will cost well over the amount for a 2-port HDMI extender splitter. Now we will demonstrate how this works with our gofanco 4-port extender splitter, part number HDMI EXT4P. Now I'll show how simple it is to set up an HDMI extender splitter using our CAT5 cable. What we're going to do is extend the HDMI signal from our source on this table to our display on the other side of the room on this table. On the transmitter side, what we need to do is plug in the power adapter first. Then we can plug in our IR blaster so we can control the displays from the transmitter side. We have our CAT5 cable, which can be up to 130 feet with this model HDMI extender splitter. We'll have the HDMI cable coming out from our Blu-ray player or whatever source you choose and into our transmitter. The other side of the 130-foot CAT5 cable will go into one of the receivers. A power adapter will go into the receiver also. Then we have another IR cable so we can control the TV from the display side. Then we have an HDMI cable out from the display and into the receiver. And it's as simple as that. You're all set up. Right now we have one of the 4 possible displays set up. And a cool thing that we can do is actually control the Blu-ray player from our display. So we can play our movie here. And next we'll show the full setup with 4 displays. Here's an example of what the 4-port HDMI extender splitter will look like when it's fully set up. We have a display over here, 2 displays on the table, and our last display in the corner over there. Now your displays don't have to be that tight together. The receivers that are hooked up to each display can be up to 130 feet from the transmitter. For a unit like this, it should include a transmitter, 4 receivers, power adapters for each receiver, 1 IR blaster cable, 4 IR receiver cables, and a screw kit. Additionally, you will need to have 4 quality CAT5e 6 or 7 cables and 5 HDMI cables. Now go out and impress your customers, friends, and family with your new awesome AV setup. Thanks for watching.